guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom? Oh, Judy. Well, you came and you baked me some cookies. Well, what we have, we are the spies. We are three cool guys. We all have a nose and we have two eyes.
Carl! Enough with the songs!
I didn't think she'd like a hefty boy with glasses who's into llamas and sleeps with a blankie and has unsightly spots all over his...
Too much information! Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out. Let me assure you that...
Oh, ow, my scapula! Oh, I'm stuffed now. I couldn't have enough. Okay, one more. I'm gonna have one more, and then that'll be it. Jimmy Neutron, he's a spy. He's a kid and his hair is really high. He's got a friend named Carl, who is really cool, and a friend named Shin, who is held back in school.
Hey, that only happened twice.
What? Oh, please, Jimmy. This may be my only chance to impress a tennis-playing, teen modeling, ballet dancing, gymnastic-ing masseuse.
Yeah, come on, Jimmy.
Well, don't ever let it happen again. And it's Mr. Wheezer to you. You just can't get good help these days.
May we go to see your lab now?
You got it. To the lab, dim-witted assistant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Mr. Wheezer. Are you going to finish that croissant? Croissant, 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 croissant.